I'm now in Ntchisi Rainforest. Come along for another 3 minutes of Malawi. Today we are going to Ntchisi Rainforest, which is about 2 hours drive from Lilongwe, heading north. In these videos, we show you a little of Malawi and teach you a bit of Chichewa along the way. So we parked at Ntchisi Forest Lodge, and now Simba, Nala, Zazu and I are heading up to the Ntchisi Forest Mountain. Ntchisi is a district in the central part of Malawi, and it's got a population of about 200,000 people. The first word that we are going to teach you today is the word for a region in Chichewa, which is Chigawo. Chigawo. The economy of this district is 80% based on agriculture. The second word that we'll be teaching you today is the word for money, which is ndalama. Ndalama. The trees here are quite magnificent, and I'm going to teach you the Chichewa word for tree, which is mtengo. Mtengo. This place is really cool, and by that I mean awesome, but also the temperature is really low, and that's because the sun does not really reach the ground. Let me take this opportunity to tell you more about Helpstars Malawi. At Helpstars Malawi, we offer tours like this, language training, interpretation and translation, and the mobile spa. Check out our website for more information. We're almost back at the lodge where we're going to have our lunch. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.